What happens when a flat vortex intersects infinity? Does it wobble? That's a fascinating and poetic question. It sounds like you're blending physics imagery with metaphysical or symbolic ideas. Let's unpack both the literal and conceptual possibilities depending on what you mean by interfere with infinity and a wobbling vortex. If you mean it literally, in physics terms, let's interpret it as a kind of wave or field interaction. Infinity could represent an infinitely extended field, say a uniform wave or a region of constant potential. A cross might symbolize a point of symmetry or intersection, like axes in a field. A wobbling vortex suggests rotational motion, something like a rotating field disturbance, such as a vortex in a fluid or a magnetic field. So, interfering infinity with a vortex might mean introducing a localized rotating disturbance into an otherwise infinite uniform field. In that case, the vortex breaks the symmetry of the infinite field. You'd get spiral wave interference patterns, where energy redistributes in complex, often fractal-like ways. The crossing point would become a singularity or node, where phase information flips, much like in a phase singularity in optics. If you mean it symbolically or philosophically, it could describe the tension between infinity, the limitless, still potential, the unbounded. Cross, the point of intersection between planes. Wobbling vortex, the dynamic, unstable motion of energy or consciousness. So, interfering with infinity at the cross with a wobbling vortex might symbolize injecting motion or instability into something infinite or eternal, the meeting of chaos and order. In short, physics view a rotating disturbance interacting with an infinite field. Symbolic view the creative tension where the infinite meets motion, a metaphor for transformation, emergence, or creation. We hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We are on the road to 100,000 subscribers. Please join us for the journey.